Hey guys, it's Blythe and welcome to my porch. I just wanted to pop in real quick and let you guys know that I'm gonna be hosting a Blythe sew-along over on Facebook. So if you don't know, a sew-along is basically like a digital workshop, and somebody picks a pattern. I'm like in charge of the pattern, and then everybody sews said pattern. It's really awesome because if anybody has any questions or problems, we can kind of figure it out as a group, and it's really fun, especially now when we've all been in our houses for a very long time. A very long time. I don't know what day it is. So that's how long it's been. This video isn't sponsored, but we really love to support our pattern makers. So I've chosen a pattern by Dolls in Fashion on Etsy, and it's this adorable little kimono, and I'm super excited to sew it. I've never sewn a kimono before. I'm gonna be making a video on how to sew the entire project also. But for now, for week 1 of the sew along, we're just going to purchase the pattern. It's only about $4 US, and then download said pattern. Then we're going to choose some fabrics. So you're gonna need 2 outside fabrics and 2 lining fabrics. I would suggest using cotton if you're a beginner, and if you're more experienced, you can use whatever you want. I'm gonna be using a silk for the outside and then a cotton, I think, for the obi. So it'll be really cool. I'm pretty excited. So anyways, I've included a link to the Facebook group and the pattern down in the description below if you guys wanted to join in on the fun. If you guys wanted to join in and sew along with us. I promise to have better audio. I just didn't feel like setting up lights today because I've been in my house for 2 weeks. I will see you guys soon. Bye.